advisor has said, I love you as a class, and I cherish each and every one of you.
Those lines kasi they're the tidbits that keep you going din sa class and help you remember these teachers.
Lahat ng times na nagbibigay siya ng mga life skills, talks during our homeroom classes, parang, you know, he felt like a really important father figure sa buhay namin.
Hindi lang siya lesson sa academically. It's like a lesson for life that will make you enjoy life and learn more from.
Our teacher answered that not everything can be used in life, but it's how we look onto it and how we think of it in the future and how we can use it even more and apply it in our lives.
It's okay to make mistakes kasi learning is about improving yourself and not comparing yourself to other people.
The most important thing about teaching is that it is love.
Exciting.
Caring.
It's a noble act. Passion.
Teacher-student relationship.
Kung ang kabataan ay pag-asa ng bayan, ang teaching o ang mga guro ay ang pag-asa ng kabataan.
Teaching for me is a mission, sharing, and learning.
Teaching is challenging, inspiring, and fun.
The compassion, the heart.
Wow.
They were playing with us basketball, football, and we felt they were our friends.
Kapag yung teacher ko noon, kapag nagtuturo siya, nakikita ko sa kanya yun, yung ningning sa mata niya, na gustong-gusto niya yung ginagawa niya.
Our new students are eagerly raising their hands to participate.
Favorite moment ko sa Pisay kapag alam ko na iba yung joy ng mga estudyante kapag nagtuturo ka.
I love it. It's meant to be.
The day before that, I looked at my students and I felt I didn't like to leave them. So I stayed on and I enjoyed teaching. I love teaching.
And can you give po a message for your fellow teachers?
Message to fellow teachers. Enjoy teaching.
Huwag sukuan at saka yung best mo, ang kabayaran niya ay yung pagmamahal ng mga bata. Kaya sa mga kapwa namin guro, lagi namin sinasabi, may nakakakita man o wala, guro ka sa loob at labas.
There is very little I can add. I see they're experts, they teach well. They all love the students. I always, you know, when there are new teachers, I ask them, how long do you plan to stay? Are you here for good? Have you settled that this is going to be your lifetime thing? So I think I can tell the teachers, I hope you stay teaching.